I think you look cute. I do. I do. Do you like it? So you can wash those things?
They say you wash up to 5 times.
So we either hand wash them or take them home and leave. Like I have a special detergent that I use on my kids too. That's
What do you use? It's called Charlie's soap.
no fragrances, very like I use all of our laundry with that.
You're actually easier than your brother was.
You're a character. So you already did the other guy?
Yep.
He didn't have. It was
Maybe
not
calm compared to him.
But he's tireder. I think
should
he's
be
gonna
after
go
all
down.
He was going to start pulling out. He pulled off like 6 stickers off his nose.
Then I enter their name and we start singing. And you can see that little image where the white turns green when it captures it.
He's watching us.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm on camera.
Yeah, she's there.
I think that's actually helping him keep him calm a little bit. Yeah. You're a character.
You want to chew it? Okay.
You learn in Spanish.
Okay, Bubba. Okay. This isn't a selfie, baby.
He thinks it is. So this is Isaiah. So he's looking down. So this is a top view. So that's the back right, back left. So what we look at are these two diagonals. So this length minus this length. And we get the difference, the linear difference of those. And he's at 14.1 millimeters. So here's the lengths of those two diagonals. And these are taken exactly at 30 degrees.
Okay.
And he's at 14.1.
Okay.
So we would put that into the moderate severe borderline category.
Okay.
But definitely meets, definitely not in the mild. So that's Isaiah. Otherwise, the other number we often look at is called cephalic ratio, which is a width to length. They are good there.
Okay.
Some other kids have that flat across the back, that wider head. It's called brachycephaly. Neither of them have that.
Okay.
They just have the asymmetry from the torticollis. So an opposite side flatness. So looking down again, that's the right back, the left back. You can also see some flatness on that front right on him. So he's at 16.1 millimeters, so a little more severe, still right in that kind of high, moderate, low, severe category.
Okay.
Hi, Zay. Zay.
No. Oh, light in your face.
Zay. Hi, honey. Okay, guys, so it is like 9:45-ish. We're probably running late, but Eli is awake. He's here. Hey, Bubba. Zay asleep per usual, and Lily's doing her typical crying. So, Zay. Hi, Bubba. Say hi, sleeping. We got 2 out of 3 in. Hey, guys. Eli, why won't you look at the camera? Hi, Bubba. Hey. You not feeling it? Hi, Lilybug. Hey, girl. Say, I'm too grown for the binky, but I keep taking my brothers. You are. You're too grown, girl. Also, my face is looking extra wild because I got my wisdom teeth pulled 3 days ago. Still have stitches in. My mouth hurts like so bad. I'm like out of breath. It's like my 5th time going up the steps. Can't get my water bottle. And we're about to leave. Hi, baby.
Okay, we got you strapped.
Hey, man. Got attitude because we woke you up. Sorry.
Alright, you're strapped. In, not strapped.
You said green? That's blue.
Okay, so for Eli, the helmet opens on the left side of the head. So to put it on, I am going to put my thumbs in the ear hole, my fingers on the forehead and the back of the head for leverage, and I'm going to open it up nice and wide. So I'm going to approach Eli from the left, and I'm going to keep it open nice and wide and walk it on his head, lining up this right ear at the same time.
Okay.
So. All right, buddy, so here I am. I'm walking it on. I'm moving with him, lining up that right ear. Perfect. I'm going to feed that strap through. Look at him from the front. Give it a little wiggle. Make sure it's level right at his eyebrows and tighten the strap.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
All right, buddy. So it's a little bit long everywhere. That's how they all come. So let me do some trimming. I want to see more of your face. Give that ear some room. Okay.
No, Lily. No, Lily. Stop, Pete.
Let me see you from the front, buddy. Yeah, we want to see more of your eyes. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Perfect.
All right.
Perfect, perfect. We'll give him a couple ventilation holes in the back. And Isaiah, you are up next.
All right, Bubba.
Two.
He's always the fussier one.
Yeah. Okay.
Finished.
That's it. I'll be back in about a half hour or so.
Okay.
Okay. There's a coffee station on the hallway. Help yourself. Water in the hallway. Changing tables in the bathroom. So.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, Zay.
Hey.
Ponytail. You got a ponytail. You got a ponytail. You got a ponytail. What you got?
What's that?
Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. If you like this, you can like that. Take these. Wait.
Teething.
Are you teething, Chung Chung?
Yeah. What do you?
Look at you munching away. Yeah, you're so big. You're such a big boy. Better the bottle than my nipples.
Yeah, because you be so hard. I can definitely feel the milk coming out.
One second, buddy. Let's just pop this away. Let's just pop this
He's sweating already.
Oh, he's going to. Oh, wow, yeah. You're a hot body.
He definitely is a hot. He's always sweating on his face.
Okay. Go ahead, finish your bottle. It's okay. Yeah.
It's like it's up my head.
Yep. All right, I'll be back. Let me trim his out.
How do you feel about this?
You had a football.
Oh, we got a bird. Oh, little barf. Eli.
You watch him pee.
How's it going, buddy?
What we got here? Oh my god. Look at your lips.
You're so chunky.
They're so luscious.
You're so chunky.
Hey, man. Hi. Hi, Eli. You don't have much to say today. How are you feeling about the helmet? No, Lily. Don't do that.
Be nice to your brother. No,
Eli,
Lily.
come on, cuz. Look, look, get off me.
Right.
You give him a kissy. Thanks, Lily. That was so
Oh, I
nice.
give your brother kisses.
Hey, Batman. Hey, Fat Fat.
That's why you don't walk soon, because he's watching her run around.
Hey, Papa. See, it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
I hope we didn't get the phone or the.
Yeah.
What was the other ones like phone?
Yeah. Where you at the shoe? We lost it.
He's really watching Lily.
He loves watching. Hi.
Say hi, Bubba. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going? Hey.
Just what I like.
Hey.
Just what I got.
How you doing, honey? You're so cute. Yes, you are. So good at it. Hi. Say hey, baby. How's that fitting on you? I think you look cute. I do. I do. Do you like it? The strap. How tight to make it?
Eli, why are you fussing over that? You're so cute. Fussing. Why are you fussing, Bubba?
Worse.
The red spots are like pressed.
Yes.
Hard.
So it's normal for it to contact their forehead like it is. That's nice, that's broad, it's just the helmet contacting. Pressure issues are typically in the shape of a quarter or smaller. It looks like if you were to get a blister on your heel, like it would look red, raw, in your gut, you're like, that helmet's too tight there. If you're ever like thinking, I don't want to put it back on, it's hurting him, trust your gut, stop wearing it, give us a call.
Okay.
Super rare.
Okay.
It's just because it's been 2 weeks since they've been scanned, we want to make sure they haven't hit a growth spurt.
Okay.
No nap or nighttime for the first 2 days. Tomorrow, 2 hours on, hour off, check the skin. 2 hours on, hour off, check the skin. Day 3, 4 hours on, hour off, check the skin. Day 4, 8 hours on, hour off, check the skin, and then ultimately the 23 hours.
Okay.
So once they're up to 23 hours, that hour off is to bathe them and then check their skin to make sure all redness fades. They seem to be sweaty babies.
Yeah, they are.
In which case, if they get heat rash, so heat rash is like pimply, it'd be all over. Sometimes heat rash, you see one flare up of it.
Really?
Otherwise, a lot of times the sweaty babies have an issue once you're up to the 23 hours.
Yeah.
That's like a long time in the helmet. I would say every time you feed them, which is every couple of hours, take the helmet off for 5 or 10 minutes, let fresh air get to their head, wipe their head down with a dry paper towel, just to like kind of reduce the moisture.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they seem to do better if you do that, the
Okay.
sweaty ones. Any just redness on their face that looks like a skin issue. It could be chapped skin, it could be dry, it could be, so it's
Like
not a
peeling or
circle.
something.
Yep. We recommend Aquaphor or whatever you use. Coconut oil, baby oil.
Aveeno, soap.
Yep.
Or Vaseline.
Yep, Vaseline, A&D ointment, whatever you use that already works for them, you can use on their skin.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Say I want an arm. You can't take it off. You can't take it off. It's okay. I know. I'm so sorry. You're gonna thank me in the end. Your haircuts won't be looking wild, you know? Hey, Bubba. Hi. Tell me how much you like the helmets. You gonna tell me? You don't really like it? Hey, fat man. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 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 Eli, you've been crying a lot today. Zay is just being serious. Why so serious? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Eli. Hey, Bubba. Uh-oh, taking a break. Hey, Bubba. Eli, hi. Oh. Eli. Uh-oh. Slide down a little bit on your face. There we go. Eli. Hey, Bubba. I know, you don't like it, I know. Okay. It's okay, buddy. I know you don't like it. You're sweating.
Okay, guys, so we just got back. We're doing the first hour. We do 1 hour on, 1 hour off for this entire day. Say hi, Zay. Say hi. Eli is definitely not adjusting well. I'll start crying. He's okay. Zay is just chilling. Eli is definitely not a happy camper right now, so it'll definitely be an adjustment for them. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video was like informative. You got to see the babies. I'm gonna go probably lay down. My mouth still hurts. I still have stitches in my mouth and my face is still swollen and it's just not been a good time. I'm definitely going to decorate these for them with acrylic paint, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.